Hi, my name is Neil Bruce. I'm a fourth year accountancy student at the University of Dundee, and today I'm going to give you 3 tech essentials to help you through online lectures in the next semester. So in online lectures, it's essential that you're able to type fast to make sure that you get all your notes down whilst being able to pay attention to what's going on in the lecture. My favourite way to make my typing speed increase is by using a game called Nitro Type. It's a browser game where you can play with friends and you just type the words, the sentences as fast as you can, and your little car goes along and you race against others, and it's very good fun. I especially like this game because unlike 10 Fast Fingers, which is also a popular browser extension to help you increase your typing speed, it actually has proper sentences that are formed correctly so that you're actually typing real sentences rather than typing random words to increase your speed. And also just the fact that I can play it with my friends. I'm currently playing it a lot with my brother and my girlfriend, which is really good fun. So I highly recommend Nitro Type to you. So now that you can type fast, you need somewhere to type these notes into, and I highly recommend Notion. It's a downloadable app on the Windows and iOS app stores on your laptop and on your phone, and you can basically just put all of your notes in here. It looks very concise, very neat. You can customize so many parts about it to make it your own, and Ali Abdel has a great video on how to use Notion the most effectively that I'm going to link down below, and I highly recommend Notion because I just use it all the time and it's so helpful for getting all your notes down and keeping them neat basically. The final piece of tech in this video that's going to help you with online lectures is having a second screen. Now it's very optional, it's quite expensive, but if you're someone who plays like any games on a monitor, if you just plug your monitor in through an HDMI to your laptop or to your computer and having 2 screens, it is just so helpful for when you're watching online lectures, because you can have your lecture on one screen and you can be typing your notes on the other, and it just keeps everything a bit more separate and a bit clearer, because if you've got a massive screen or like a pretty basic size screen of your lecture and a different screen with your notes, you can just see everything more clearly and keep everything going faster, and it's less likely to distract you because you've just got like a big screen with a big face on it that's telling you all of your information that you need to know. So a second screen definitely is something that's going to be quite an investment, but I think it's definitely worth it because you just get more from your lectures. So to summarize, typing faster, having somewhere to type these notes into, and having a second screen to watch your lectures in are my 3 tech tips for your next semester of online video lectures. I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, a like and a subscription would be very helpful. I'd love to hear any thoughts on this video you have in the comment section, and thanks very much for watching.